I'm really glad that I did choose armor. I've met students who are truly passionate about what they do and really love to solve problems related to engineering. So every single year, me and my mom and my younger sister travel to national parks out west. During my trips, I've seen bridges, tunnels, dams. I've developed a love for infrastructure. I'm interested in the way things work. That has led me to major in civil engineering and pursue a master's degree in environmental engineering. I love being outdoors. My goal is to make an impact on the environment.
Oh my God, we're literally in the clouds.
Especially in civil engineering, there's so many opportunities to go outside and to work out in the field. Issues with infrastructure. They need expertise and technical experience. And here at Illinois Tech, we learn all those things in school and apply them to the real world. I did work on a construction estimating project where we had to estimate how much it costs to build an entire building. I would have to count every single little light from the drawings, every single little brick. Hundreds of pages of engineering drawings that we received from the professors. I thought that was really valuable. The faculty at Illinois Tech are supportive. They love teaching. And I love being able to see the project that I'm working on. That's why I picked civil engineering, so that I could see the stuff that is being built and that every single day would be different. And with hands-on learning, students are prepared for their future career.